Introducing the RR1 Rounded Rocker Switch. This illuminated switch is an aesthetically designed power rocker switch with a round body meant for a panel cutout diameter of 20mm. The RR1 features a single pole, single throw circuit with 7 different functions to choose from, including a signal light. This versatile rocker switch is sealed with a cap to protect from the elements at an IP54 ingress protection rating. The electrical rating for the RR1 varies depending on your requirements, either a 10 amp at 125 VAC or a 16 amps also at 125 VAC. The physical appearance of this switch can be customized to suit your needs. 4 body colors can be chosen, either black, white, grey or red, as well as a full illumination for the actuator or 8 different colors to choose from. There are 8 different actuator markings that can be applied to the RR1 with 3 colors, red, black or white. The illumination lens is available as full or round with 5 colors and 3 voltage options from 12 volts up to 250 volts. The operating temperature range for this switch is -20 degrees Celsius up to 105 degrees Celsius, and it also features an electrical life of 10,000 cycles. All these features make the RR1 a standout choice for numerous industries and markets, including industrial controls, audio mixing desks, commercial cleaning equipment, and construction machinery. To learn more about the RR1 or any other eSwitch products, then head over to our website at eswitch.com. There you can view and download all spec and datasheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.